circle with radius 4 centimeter. Okay. Let us draw a circle with radius 4 centimeter from a point 7 centimeter away from center. So this distance is 4 centimeter. Now you have to take another point which is at the distance of 7 centimeter from center. But if 4 centimeter, so already we have taken. How far should I extend this line segment?
3 centimeter.
3 centimeter more. So let this be the point P. Let this be the point P such that this OP is 7 centimeter. Okay. Now from this point P, I have to draw a pair of tangents to this circle. I have to draw a pair of tangents to the circle. I'm just giving you the steps first and then I will explain you why we are doing this. So OP is a line segment. We will draw perpendicular bisector of the line segment. I hope you remember how to draw perpendicular bisector of any line.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Open your compass more than half, an arc in the top direction and bottom. From here also, arc here, and then join this. That is how we draw perpendicular bisector. This is 90
Yes, ma'am.
midpoint. This M is the midpoint of AB and also M is 90. So we wish to draw perpendicular bisector of OP. So keep your compass at P. Okay. Compass at P, needle adjust करके अपना radius adjust करके more than half. Draw an arc at the top and draw an arc at the bottom also. Okay. Likewise, keep it at O. Open your compass, keeping the same radius from O. Draw another arc intersecting the previous one and here also. Right? Now join these two. Join these two. You may draw it dotted or solid line, your wish. So let me just do that. Okay. I'm again repeating step 1. We drew a circle with radius 4 centimeter. Step 2. We took a point P 7 centimeter away from the center as given in the question. Step 3. We have drawn perpendicular bisector of OP. We have drawn perpendicular bisector of OP. Okay. Now this is your midpoint. Let it be M. Let it be M. With now M is the midpoint of OP. जी बेटा. M जो है वो OP का क्या है? Midpoint as it is a perpendicular bisector. So with either
Yes, ma'am.
OP, sorry, with M as the center, M आपका needle हो गया. OM और OP दोनों same होंगे. So with M as the center, draw a circle. Draw a circle. I don't have compass. It may go a little weird here and there. So with M as center and MO or MP as radius, draw a circle. Now, wherever these two circles intersect, wherever these two circles intersect, A and B, join PA and PB. These two are your required tangents to the circle. These two are your required tangents to the circle. How? I am explaining. This is a statement you need to write. Nothing more than this you need to write. Thus, PA and PB are the required tangents. Now, how come these are the required tangents? Let us discuss the property. Children, do we know that in a semicircle, the angle made is 90 degree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If you focus on this OP, is OP a diameter for the dotted circle?
Yes, ma'am.
Now OP is the diameter of the dotted circle. So if I join this line, if I'm saying if I join O to A, if I join this OA, will this angle be 90-degree angle in the semicircle?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And likewise, if I join OB, this will also be an angle in the semicircle 90-degree.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we can see OA, which is the radius of the bigger circle, original circle, is at 90-degree angle with AP. And we know radius and tangent are perpendicular to each other at the point of contact. Yes? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a simple justification that why this construction is correct. I'm just repeating the steps. Step 1, draw circle with radius 4 centimeter. Step 2, take a point P such that OP is equal to 7 centimeter. Step 3, draw perpendicular bisector of OP. Draw perpendicular bisector of OP. If M is the midpoint of OP, take M as center and OM or MP as radius. Draw a circle. Draw the circle. You may draw it at dotted circle also, your wish. Now, wherever the two circles intersect, mark those intersection points as A and B. Join PA, join PB. These are the required tangents. Okay?